Hello and welcome to my channel LB Plans. My name is Elle and today I am planning out my daily pages in my wellness planner, which is the Hobonichi Cousin A5. Yes, I'm super excited, but first, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, would you please be so kind and give me a subscribe? I am trying to get up to 2,000 subscribers, but I am loving so far the responses that I've been receiving, so I think I'm going to do a little giveaway around 500, but you guys got to be a part of the channel to be a part of that. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Thanks for hanging out with me. Okay, guys, so today I am using a planner kit for the Hobonichi Cousin Daily Pages from Let's Plan It. This is a full Hobonichi Cousin kit from Let's Plan It, and y'all, it is really great. One of the bigger issues that I had was because when you're doing daily pages, sometimes that Saturday, Sunday doesn't fall just right, and this is one of those weeks where it's not falling right. So my Sunday is the start for my daily pages. So I want to kind of keep it the same theme, but of course, since this is a daily kit, I do not have two Sundays in my kit. But no sweat, I have a clear Sunday from my Aura Estelle order that I did a while ago when I got the Aura Estelle A5 planner. So boom, I'm going to use that Sunday and we're just going to work around with what we have. What I do love about this kit is that it automatically comes with a wide washi strip that is formatted for the bottom of the pages. So as you know, in my previous planning, I like to kind of keep the weird, I don't know if we want to call that quotes, because they're not really quotes but sayings or text that's at the bottom, but this time, since I have been writing more as I've gotten a better flow with my journaling process, I've been writing more, so I decided to go ahead and cover up the bottom parts of the planner pages of the dailies. This kit does come with a weekend banner or a sticker. So since I went to the Saturday Sunday stop, I went ahead and split the weekend up at the K. So week and in, and I'm going to put it at the bottom of both pages. One thing I do love about the sticker kit from Let's Plan It is that your pen glides on this sticker paper like butter. I don't know what type of magical unicorn sticker paper she is using, but the pen glides beautifully. But it does not come up, so be certain when you place that sticker down that that's where you want it at. Now, as for me, since I've have gotten a better flow, so to speak, of writing and journaling and splitting up my journaling throughout the day, I realize I do need more room. Actually, I really don't need the to-do list. But that's kind of my reminder to do my habits. So it's typically the same items Monday through Sunday, but I like the feeling of checking it off, so I know that when if I don't update my tracker, my monthly tracker, like I should every day, then I have the same information on the daily pages for me to transfer it there. But I've just really gotten into a flow of writing more my thoughts throughout the day, recording exciting events. And so I realized that yes, I need the space there, even though I still like to break up my pages. Um, the setup of the daily pages gets rid of the anxiety of the full page itself, but I still want to have space to fill in things that happen, like any exciting event that happened, well, besides for like something great happened for my daughter and I wanted to document it, and something great happened for one of my sons and I wanted to, make that note in it. And I realized that I use the daily pages more for memory keeping sometimes, just because of that, and that has worked out very great for me. So give that a try with the daily pages. If you're overwhelmed with thinking that you have to journal your thoughts or feelings or whatever happened or on that date, try adding pictures of items or certain things that happen throughout the day. For me, my stove, I had a Pyrex dish actually. In the stove, I was meal planning and I was cooking chicken in the Pyrex and it exploded in my oven. And for me, that was a moment of gratitude because when it happened, I was very close and I heard it. So, had I been in my office that day working or at that time working, that could have been a fire. The grease from the chicken would have been heating up inside the stove, and I could have had a fire in my home or, smoked up very bad. So, I am truly grateful, and that was a moment that I wanted to make sure that I took the time and put it in my daily because that was a moment of gratitude. And actually, that was on February 7th. So, like I said, just try to find opportunity to just record life, if that's a better way. Sometimes people look at the word journaling and they think that it has to be this big life change or all of these negative thoughts or happy thoughts. It's just what happened today and how did you think about it? Today was a slow day. Today was not a very productive day. I go back and I can look at what I wrote and kind of get a feeling for how I was feeling that day, and that has been very powerful for me. Along with my tracking, I'm not doing that great on meeting some of my goals, but because I write everything down, I've seen areas that I can tighten up on, and that's the whole benefit right there of having a plan or a paper well, it doesn't have to be a paper, but to have an actual planner is to record what's happening in your life so you can go back and reflect when you need to make changes and adjustments. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video of me setting up my daily pages. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down below. As always, take care of yourself and I will see you at my next video. Bye.